really pretty. And I'm stuck on this one as well. These sponge shells are everywhere. Let's wash them.
I wonder if,
Whoa, fishy!
yeah, these poles are back the boat. Notice that?
Oh, you're right.
Somebody probably whacked it and they just replaced it with whatever it was.
I should get a partial refund for that.
I wish I had something to put.
Oh, you can set them all on the edge of the boat, then we can put them somewhere when we're done. Like right here.
Oh, ow.
She loves those ice cream cone shells.
I call them spine shells.
Spine shells?
Yeah,
Why do you call them that?
because they're like a spine.
They poke your feet. There's one, two. Over here.
Spine shells are everywhere here.
There's one more foot.
Spine shells, spine shells.
Hey, will you throw me my goggles? Figure out how to get the line out of the tree. Probably 3 bags in a big bag. Big bag was $6, but you know, even in public sometimes the Rios are like 5 something. I'm like, y'all are crazy.
Yeah, regular price. I realized that earlier.
You still got a bunch of nachos left.
Nacho.
They're Cool Ranch flavored.
Cool Ranch, is that your favorite Dorito?
Now it is.
What used to be your favorite? Wow, that's a really seasoned one. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What used to be your favorite Dorito?
I don't know. I don't know.
This is where you can go up in there.
Oh my.
Oh,
This would be a good campsite out there too. Not ours, but one. It looks. What are you doing?
She's tired. Don't worry, you'll feel better once you get in. Ooh. OMG, it's hot.
Let me just make sure.
Hey, why don't you sit on your booty and
It
then...
feels like that. Here, just sit on your booty. Let me make this wet. Now sit on your booty and I'll just get you. Here, come on. It feels good, baby. It's just like a swimming pool. Alright.
Give her a second.
There's 2 dragonflies.
Okay, here we go. You want me to help you get dropped in? I hand you to Daddy?
That is big.
She's got one.
Miss, how you set the part where it's got the rubber band is the face? Well, it's that one there.
Are you gonna fish like right up against it?
Yep.
I thought we were going to rain like last time. The shells are still there.
Oh yeah.
Careful about the bomb. Alright, let me see how deep we want to do it. I think we want it deeper than that. Alright. You ready? Alright. Hang on to it and watch it.
Oh Lord. Oh.
What?
Anything?
I felt a ripple.
A ripple.
It needs to be deeper, I don't know.
I think I should reel in a bit.
Alright, reel it in. You reeling it? Nice slow. Alright, let me see it. Back up. Right on this side.
Hey, there's pretty water on it.
You just heard a cricket. A lot of current here. That motor's about to.
Is that motor off?
Yeah.
Maybe
We should. Try deeper.